Final question in this section is, generative AI, right? It's been a big sort of focus for a lot of marketing teams. I think last year, it was more around discussions about what AI can do, and this year seems like actual use cases where you can deploy AI. I would love to hear your thoughts, Sarah, in terms of any high-level use cases that your team is thinking through. For example, one area where our customers are excited about is using AI to clip videos into short-form clips, etc., etc. So, I would love to hear your thoughts in terms of what areas you are seeing some applications.
Yeah, I mean, I may be biased because I'm a marketer, but I think that the application of generative AI for marketing is going to be extremely powerful as we move forward. And the way I think about it is it gives our teams the opportunity to gain scale.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's a replacement for our talented marketing team, but I think, my gosh, having that tool in your tool set and being able to leverage that so that our marketers can work on the highest value content and can outsource to AI the things that aren't as high value. So a few of the areas we're looking at, the first is translation. And we run a global marketing team. So we have around 400 marketing associates that are in countries around the world. And we produce content for financial intermediaries around the world as well. And our marketing content needs to be translated into the language of their local business. And so, as you might imagine, we spend a lot of time on translation. The ability for AI to really serve as a tool in translation is going to be hugely impactful. The other area that we're looking at is promotional content. So like you were talking about creating shorter clips of content. Once the content is created by our teams, we think there's an opportunity for AI to help us think about how do you turn something into a social post, how do you turn it into a short web article, things like that, where the core content is developed by our team and then we leverage AI to turn it into promotional content.
The translation also is a very interesting use case I didn't think about actually. Now you say it does make sense for a global brand like Capital Group with multiple offices. You need to translate all the content with some human involved. Now AI can assist that person to do it much faster.
Right, and that's the way we're seeing it. It's an assistant, right? It's not a replacement, but it's capacity augmentation.
Correct. That's a great point.